Welcome. There's 3 key words that every chiropractor wants their patients to know and to understand. That first word, of course, is chiropractic. Chiropractic. What does that word mean? Chiro comes from the Greek word chir, which means hand. Hand. And of course, practic comes from the Greek word praktikos, which means practical or done by. Chiropractic literally means the practical use of the hands. And your chiropractor has gone through years of extensive training to become a master at the practical use of their hands to bring health and healing to your life, to your family's life, to everyone that you know through the practical use of the hands. And how do we do that? What is it that the chiropractor wants to detect and correct? That is called a subluxation. Subluxation. Sub, you think of sub like submarine or sub-zero temperatures. Sub means less than. Less than. Lux, what's that hotel that's in Las Vegas, that big pyramid-shaped hotel that's got the giant beacon of light at the top of it? That is the Luxor Hotel, because lux means light or life or energy. Lux. And of course, ation means condition or state. Anytime you see a word with ation at the end, it's talking about the condition or state of something. So subluxation literally means the state of less light, life, and energy in the body. If someone were to ask you, hey, do you want less light, life, and energy in your body? What would you say? You'd have to be crazy to say, yeah, I think that sounds great. Nobody wants less light, life, and energy in their body. Nobody wants subluxation running rampant in the body. But the key thing is, almost all of us have this condition, and many times we don't even know it. So the chiropractor wants to use their hands practically to identify subluxation and then correct it by using an adjustment. Adjustment. When you see the word adjust, that just means to change or to modify. Adjust means modify. And ment, you think of mental, right? Mental. We have mental impulses in our brain that we want to get down to the rest of our cells, tissues, and organs. So ment, we're talking about mental impulses. And how much of those mental impulses do you want getting from your brain into the rest of your body? You want the full 100%, right? 100% of those mental impulses getting from the brain into the body. How do we make sure that happens? We get adjusted regularly. We must adjust these subluxations by using chiropractic. It is the only profession which addresses the subluxation, the condition of less light, life, and energy in the body, which you and I both know nobody wants now or ever. And this here, understanding these 3 words, is the first step and the bedrock of chiropractic, and your first step in understanding why this is such a useful tool for you and your family to get and stay healthy going forward into the future.